Introduction to the Multifunctional Gas Anesthesia System AA600, Installation and Operation. When you receive the product, the outer packaging should look like this. Keep the box upright and avoid overturning it. During installation, standard in vivo imaging systems will occupy two isoflurane outlet ports. Outlet 1 connects to the anesthesia induction chamber. Outlet 2 connects to the animal in vivo imaging system. Step 1. Connect the outlet ports to the rubber hose connectors. Press down on the outlet port spring, and properly attach the rubber hose connector to the port. Connectors for the two waste gas recovery ports should be attached in the same manner. Step 2. Connect the isoflurane outlet ports to the induction chamber and imaging system. Use a rubber hose of appropriate length to connect isoflurane outlet 1 to the lower interface of the induction chamber. Similarly, connect isoflurane outlet 2 to the inlet port of the animal in vivo imaging system. Step 3. Connect the waste gas recovery canisters. Ensure waste gas flows into the canister from the top and exits from the bottom to allow activated carbon inside to absorb the waste gas effectively. Connect the upper interface of waste gas recovery canister 1 to the upper interface of the induction chamber. Connect the lower interface of canister 1 to the anesthesia machine's recovery port 1. Connect the upper interface of waste gas recovery canister 2 to the imaging system, waste gas outlet. Connect the lower interface of canister 2 to the anesthesia machine's recovery port 2. Step 1. Add isoflurane. Unscrew the isoflurane vaporizer lid, and add an appropriate amount of isoflurane liquid. Tighten the lid after adding. Step 2. Turn on the instrument. Step 3. Select air, oxygen as the driving gas. The AA600 comes with a built-in air pump, so air mixed with isoflurane can be used unless pure oxygen is specifically required. When using pure oxygen, connect an oxygen tank and switch between air, oxygen using the toggle lever. Step 4. Set the isoflurane vaporization concentration. Adjust the concentration according to experimental needs. 1 to 3% isoflurane mixed with air, oxygen is effective for anesthesia. 5% isoflurane is typically used during the induction phase. Step 5. Turn on the vapor pump. Step 6. Adjust the flow meters. Set the main flow meter to a scale between 1 to 3. Set the split flow meters to a scale between 0.6 to 0.8. Step 7. Check air tightness. Pinch the rubber hose connected to outlet 1. If the indicator ball in flow meter 1 drops to the bottom, the air tightness is good. If the ball doesn't, move significantly. Reattach the rubber hose and plastic connector. Repeat this process for other outlet ports. During waste gas recovery, keep the lid of the induction chamber partially open to allow waste gas to enter the recovery pipe. Turn on the waste gas recovery switch to begin recovery. Remaining isoflurane liquid in the vaporizer can be quickly recovered. Place a suitable container under the liquid recovery port. Turn on the recovery switch to complete the recovery. The AA600 includes a mouse tail vein injection assist device. Place the mouse in the specialized container for immobilization. Clamp the mouse's tail, and turn on the tail vein illumination lamp for a quick injection. The lamp offers two lighting options, yellow and white. After imaging is complete, return all switches and knobs to their initial positions. Turn off the air pump switch. Sequentially turn off the split flow meters and main flow meter. Set the isoflurane vaporizer to 0. Turn off the main power switch of the instrument.